Welcome everyone to Twitter Mobile Gaming Drama, the mobile gaming drama channel that you guys never knew you wanted. Now in today's video, we're talking about Daddy Desync. Pretty much the only guy I have blocked on Twitter. Don't ask me why, I don't remember, because he's not a very memorable person. Anyway, in today's video, every time something stupid happens, I'll be taking a sip of my undisclosed drink. Thank you for allowing me to monetize Twitter. Anyway, Daddy Desync, let's talk about what he did. Now, I just want to say that I was very late to this. I took a nap and I didn't see what was going on until it was pretty much over. And so I was the kind of person that was stuck in a situation where I needed to figure out what happened and it was scattered all over the place. So I thought I'd make a video to consolidate all the information into one video. And maybe in the future I can, lend my services to you guys by doing this more often, depending on how this one goes. Now, the goal of today's video is to stay friendly enough to where I can monetize so I can make my buco bucks, but also give you guys the necessary information. Now, luckily, this is not a super controversial type of thing. It's not like a whole lot of N-words that I'm gonna have to censor out and stuff. There is a few, but I think we'll be able to manage. So first off, shout out to OSniped999, because he was the one that actually walked me through this. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So basically, I asked, again, OSniped999, shout out to him, for a quick rundown of what happened, and this is what happened. All right, now that I'm looking at this might be really take a long time to go through, so I'm just gonna breeze through it. So Bobby makes his tweet, Supreme makes his tweet, Desync makes his tweet and says, look son, a failed ratio. And it's funny because it wasn't failed. Granted, at the time it probably was blah blah blah. I don't really think Desync did anything stupid. It was just a meme. But then Stay Hydrated responds with the exact same thing, which is hilarious, and then ratios him with it, which is hilarious. And then Desync takes this personally and says, I wasn't ratioing him though, which sure, I think that's a fair response. He wasn't, blah, blah, blah. And then Ice Guy comes in and says, don't care, plus you're cringe. Again, they're just hammering on Desync right now for no reason, to be honest. And I'm all here for it again, because I blocked that guy ages ago, because I just remember him being an a-hole. I don't remember exactly why, again, because irrelevant. But anyway, then Desync says, who are you? Which is funny, because who is he? Ice Guy says, bro, got offended. Legit don't know you, dude. And then Ice Guy says, breaking, stranger on internet doesn't know. Dude, I love this guy. Again, I think in this situation, honestly, I don't think if Desync was like any other person, I think this is fair. I think he's not really in the wrong here or anything. He's just goofing off on Twitter. But a lot of people see him as an asshole, so they went for the throat. So, I mean, at this point, nothing dumb has really happened. Anyway, so that started it off, and then Bobby got into it somehow, and apparently the way that he got into it is by posting this on his Instagram story, which I think is hilarious that he took it to Instagram. I believe it's Instagram. He showed the tweet. I love it. And obviously I didn't talk about this yet, but Desync tweeted this on the main. He said, I love when people with less than, I think 100 followers try to talk for no reason. Upside down smiley face. Nice. No one knows you, little bro. Have you heard of this guy? No, 100%. I mean, I don't know how many votes this took, but even if it was just one, just the timing and getting the screenshot, hats off to Bobby. I can't take it off because of this, but hats off to Bobby. Beautifully executed. So anyway, after that, apparently Desync blocks Bobby after a bunch of people posted that he blocked him, and then Desync finally blocks Bobby, apparently. And then this person posted this photo. Now, this is Katie Lenore, I believe one of Bobby's main mods, so she's involved in this situation. And apparently she has DMs with Desync, and they are... Jesus Christ, man. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and take a sip prior to reading this, because I already know. Anyway, basically what happened here is Desync in Discord DMs with Katie said, not yet, no, hasn't been leaked, don't know what that's about, it's been announced, so blah, 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 blah. And then what matters here is he says, if I send you gas money, you want to come stay the weekend with me, girlfriend will be in OKC, Oklahoma City, for the weekend. I already took my drink. Katie Lenore then responds and says, no money. First of all, I wonder what she was thinking in this situation. I don't know what their relationship was. I'm surprised she didn't blow him up for that, but I'm assuming she's a nice person and just has to be like, no, I have no money. Also, I have a church thing in the morning. I have to be up at like 8 o'clock. Good excuses. Appreciate that. And then after that, Desync says, crying face, crying face, crying face. It'll be our only chance. So if I have to, I don't think I have to explain to you why this is wrong, but just in case I do, having a girlfriend and hitting up girls on Discord to pull up is less than ideal. So then after that, we have this tweet from Knifes, which let me go ahead and clarify what this is. Okay, this is kind of where I have a few problems with the way people have handled this. Let me go ahead and full screen the tweeter. All right, so this is what happens here. So Katie already posted that, and then Veg, I love you, but Jesus Christ, dude. He said, personally, I wouldn't have taken this level of disrespect. That's just me, though. And not only does he say that, but he ats the girl, the like Desync. I mean, if you go to her account, it says soon to be Mrs. Desync, and she's gone private now. And first of all, I feel bad for her. She really is getting like the worst end of this possible. So please don't show her hate. Veg was just messing around. I understand, and he didn't know it escalate, but it's just, I don't know. I feel bad for her especially. Anyway, after that, Knives kind of says what I said. This mother effer just tagged his girl. Absolute savage, crying face. I'm checking her profile to see when she takes her name out of the bio. She blocked me, bruh. Again, I mean, she's in a crappy situation. I'm not going to say anything about that, but that was part of the story. But yeah, people started adding her, and then she blocked all of them, and then she made these tweets right here. Again, I think this is a fair response as a female being put in this kind of situation. It's going to be really annoying, really tough, not worth the mental energy. So again, I'm actually going to take a sip for the side of everyone going at her, because that's stupid. Although I'm going to take a drink for her as well for being with Desync. And then there was rumors that Desync is on her account and blocking people to try to hide the evidence. No idea. I've seen no credibility behind that, but apparently that's a rumor. After that, Desync blocked. I mean, that's probably just a screenshot of him blocking, what, 20 people? I don't know. Then he put his account to private and he tweeted, same old mission. So this is one thing too. I wanted to actually make this video for part of this. Obviously, Desync he made his own bed and he's laying in it type of situation. He did stupid stuff. But then he made these tweets, which also is like, I really hope he's not going to do any of this, and I hope he's doing fine. He made decisions, and he has to face the consequences of that, but obviously you don't want anyone to be hurt because of those decisions, do what he's thinking of talking about here. But I also don't know if this is a situation where he's just kind of like playing the victim and putting this out. It's one of those tough situations where, I don't know, you don't know what to say about this because you don't actually know where his headspace is, but it's kind of like the trap card. You just pull that out, and I am blaming him. He did stupid stuff, and then he pulled out this. I'm hoping he's fine, but just even putting this stuff out there is just an a-hole move in general. But again, I hope he's fine. Anyway, so apparently Osnipe said that's the entire situation, but also I messaged Knives as well, and I sent like a screen recording of this and said, is there anything else I'm missing? And he sent me this, which I haven't even looked at yet, so let's go and check that out. All right, so in this, it's some Discord chat. It would be fun to drive a tank, says Psycho. Don't know who that is. Desync says lol. N-word what? Oh, so, okay. I'm going to have to blur that. I need to not be scrolling so I can keep the blur in one spot, but there's the N-word. I heard that. I didn't actually see the screenshot. And just in case you guys didn't know, I'm pretty sure Desync is white. I'm like 99% sure. And then a different Discord chat. He's been starting shit, I was going to say, for a few months now. Why? But literally no reason. I've lost all respect. Hope his kid dies after birth. Oh, this was Desync. Oh, this is Desync saying that about Bobby's child. I heard about this. Yeah, no. Hey, cheers. Should I just kill the drink after that? I think that's worthy of killing the drink. I didn't say in one gulp. Oh, that was a little bitch burp. Anyway, yeah, no, saying that about someone's kid, saying that about anyone, but especially an unborn child of someone. Again, I think I said enough about how stupid that is. Yeah, no. Again, made his own bed, lying in it. I hope he's not doing anything serious. I hope he can grow from the situation. I've had him blocked for ages for... Hopefully now you guys see why. Dude, I want to say really quickly too, I think I have like 4 accounts blocked on my Twitter. I do not block people. I don't believe in echo chambers and like surrounding yourself with only people you agree with, but I do also believe in blocking people that are a nuisance to your mental health. And I think 2 of the accounts I've blocked are like spam porn accounts. Actually, no, I think there's like 20 accounts I blocked because ever since the NFT like spam thing, I've had to block a lot of people to be able to see people in my Twitter. But of the real people, I think he's like one of 2. And like the other one was like threatening to kill my mother and then Desync. So, and the final piece I want to post, because this is too good. I'm not going to share it here. I'll probably pop up screenshots. Okay, I'm going to pull it up. I have to be able to read it, but I'm not going to show it on screen. Let me full face cam. Okay, so Desync had a DM with someone. I'm going to blur them because I don't know if they want to be exposed here because they didn't post this themselves. They said, I got good news. Awesome, Desync. Share. I just got accepted for buying a beach house in Orlando. Oh, I'm so excited for you. Let me see pics. Thank you. And bet. And then they send the pictures. Awesome. Great for Desync. Except someone went sleuthing, took that screenshot, and found out, bada bing, bada boom, it's an Airbnb. Now you might ask yourself, is it his Airbnb? Certainly could be. But I'm going to go ahead and say that Desync's real name is probably not this right here. And I'm not going to show the last name, but I'm pretty sure that's not Desync's real name. He really doesn't look like a roofie to me. He looks more like a guy that's into roofies and stuff. I don't even know if I can put that on Twitter. Never mind. Yeah, anyway, that's the video. That's the drama. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed my drink. Thank you for allowing me to enjoy my drink, Desync. Made it very easy for me. Anyway, with that being said, make sure to like and follow, not subscribe. See ya.